Welcome back to my videos. Today I'm challenging myself with the LeetCode questions, get the size of a data frame. Same as the previous video, I will not talking too much during codings. After done, I will explaining to you. So enjoy the SMR codings. Yeah, accepted. The fastest way to get the dimensions in pandas is the shape. It returns the double of rows and the columns counts. Then I will wrapping it in the list to give us the exact columns and the rows list formats the LeetCode aspects. So I try to submit. Yeah, successfully. But I still got another alternative way to do these questions, so I just show you. So I will use the len. Layers and the layers columns. Yeah, these solutions also works. The first len is used to return the rows counts, and the second one is used to return the columns counts. Yeah, this is the end for my YouTube videos. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and also share it to your friends. This code I also will push it to the GitHub so you guys can take it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
You just gotta be fearless.